India's battle against terrorism takes a significant leap forward as the anti-terrorism squad makes a groundbreaking arrest. 4 Sri Lankan nationals suspected to be linked with the Islamic State were apprehended in Ahmedabad. With loaded pistols and an ISIS flag recovered, the arrest underscores the global reach of terrorist networks. These individuals, in touch with an ISIS leader in Pakistan, had visited India dozens of times, raising concerns about radicalization. Despite ISIS efforts to expand its presence in India, proactive measures by security agencies have consistently thwarted terror plots. This arrest not only disrupts potential threats but also reaffirms India's unwavering commitment to combating terrorism and safeguarding its citizens.
India's anti-terrorism squad has made a significant breakthrough in its counter-terrorism efforts. On May 20th, India's anti-terror police apprehended 4 Sri Lankan nationals in the western Indian city of Ahmedabad for suspected links to the Islamic State terror outfit. The arrested individuals were identified as Mohammad Nusrat, Mohammad Nafran, Mohammad Faris and Mohammad Rashdeen, all residents of Colombo, Sri Lanka. The ATS also recovered 3 loaded pistols and an Islamic State flag from a location near Ahmedabad, identified from photos in the suspects' mobile phones.
ये हमें 18 तारीख को एक इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली थी कि ये जो 4 नाम है ये लोग श्रीलंका से अहमदाबाद आने वाले हैं, या इधर ट्रेन या फ्लाइट के रूट से आएंगे एंड ये यहाँ पे किसी टेरर एक्टिविटी को अंजाम देने वाले हैं। ये मूलतः इस्लामिक स्टेट जो एक बैंड टेररिस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है इससे जुड़े हुए हैं। तो इस इन्फॉर्मेशन पे हमने वर्कआउट किया। हमने श्रीलंका से आती हुई डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट्स, इनडायरेक्ट फ्लाइट्स, इसके साथ में साउथ की तरफ से आती हुई बहुत सारी ट्रेन्स और जितने भी रूट्स हैं उन सबको चेक किया, उनके मैनिफेस्ट चेक किए गए। तो जो हमारी इन्फॉर्मेशन है उस इन्फॉर्मेशन के नाम वाले चारों लोग का हमें एक फ़्लाइट के अंदर उनका बुकिंग डिटेल्स मिल गया और वो चारों जो टिकट्स है वो एक ही PNR पे बुक हुई थी, तो हमें लगा कि ये वही लोग हो सकते हैं। इसके बाद में उसको बैक ट्रैक किया गया तो वो सेम नाम के लोग उसी दिन सुबह यानी कि कल 19 तारीख को मॉर्निंग में कोलंबो से चेन्नई की फ़्लाइट में आ रहे। चेन्नई में लगभग 3 घंटे के लेओवर के बाद में वो लोग अहमदाबाद लैंड होने वाले थे। तो हमने सारी प्रोसेस की टीम्स बनाई, अहमदाबाद एयरपोर्ट से उनको डिटेन किया।
Police have registered a case under sections of the Unlawful Activities Act, the Indian Penal Code and the Arms Act against the 4 suspects. Vikas Sahai, the top police officer in Gujarat state, stated that the arrests were made late on May 19 at the city's airport following a tip-off. Sahai mentioned that the Gujarat police's anti-terrorism squad found an Islamic State flag in their possession. Analysis of 2 seized mobile phones showed various photographs and videos indicating that they were involved with the terrorist group. Since February 2024, these 4 individuals had been in touch with a person named Abu, who resides in Pakistan and is an ISIS leader. They were communicating with him online through various social media platforms.
कि આ 4 લોકો ફરવરી 2024 માં એક વ્યક્તિ નામે અબુ જે મૂળ શ્રીલંકાના છે પણ અત્યારે પાકિસ્તાનમાં રહે છે અને આઈસિસના લીડર છે, એમની સાથે સંપર્કમાં આવ્યા ફેબ્રુઆરી 2024 માં અને ત્યારથી લઈને અત્યાર સુધી એમની સાથે ઓનલાઈન સંપર્કમાં રહ્યા અલગ અલગ સોશિયલ મીડિયા મારફતે.
The Gujarat Anti-Terrorism Squad revealed that 2 of the 4 Sri Lankans, Nusrat and Nafran, arrested on May 20, had visited India 38 to 40 times. These individuals are highly radicalized and have shown their radical mindsets earlier through other organizations.
इन लोगों की इंडिया में इन्होंने टोटल कितनी विजिट की है इसके बारे में भी थोड़ी इन्वेस्टिगेशन की गई थी। तो इसमें जो फारिस और रसदीन है ये पहली बार इंडिया आए हैं, लेकिन नुसरत और नफरान जो है वो लगभग 38 और 40 बार इससे पहले इंडिया में आए हैं। तो एज ऑफ नाउ ये हाईली रेडिकल है और रेडिकल जो इनका माइंडसेट है उसको जब शो इन्होंने पहले भी दूसरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के माध्यम से किया, आईएस के हैंडलर में आने के बाद में आईएस के प्रोपेगेंडा वीडियो से प्रभावित होकर के
आईएस के हैंडलर ने और इन्होंने जो सोशल मीडिया पर बहुत सारी चीजें देखी, उससे ये रेडिकलाइज होकर के इस मॉड्यूल के साथ जुड़े हैं।
The apprehension of these individuals is expected to disrupt potential terror plots and improve public safety. It also highlights the growing reach of international terrorist networks. This incident comes on the heels of recent arrests of ISIS operatives in India, including 2 leaders apprehended near the international border after crossing over from Bangladesh. These individuals were involved in recruitment, terror funding and planning terror acts using improvised explosive devices, according to security officials. The National Investigation Agency and ATS units in various states have been actively pursuing cases related to ISIS activities in India, highlighting the persistent threat posed by the terrorist organization. In October last year, a suspected ISIS terrorist wanted in connection with the Pune ISIS module case was apprehended by the Delhi police. Though ISIS is attempting to expand its footprint in India, security agencies have successfully foiled multiple ISIS-linked terror plots in recent years, demonstrating their proactive approach.
It's an encouraging sign when it comes to our preparedness that we were able to figure out that although there were Sri Lankans coming from Sri Lanka with whom India does not have enmity, that they were up to no good. So at least our intelligence gathering has evolved to that level that even if a threat emanates to India from outside Pakistan, even in friendly countries, so to speak, our security agencies are up to the task of apprehending them before they could actually do some real damage.
Through rigorous surveillance, intelligence gathering, and preemptive operations, Indian authorities have thwarted the nefarious plans of ISIS operatives and their associates. These efforts underscore India's commitment to countering terrorism and ensuring the safety and security of its citizens.